Imagine watching Netflix on a 300-inch screen from your couch, or taking a cross-country flight and turning your seat into a private cinema. The Rokid AR Spatial glasses don't try to change your life overnight. They just make your everyday routine a lot better. So folks, the Rokid AR Spatial is a spatial computing AR glasses pack built with practicality and precision in mind. The Rokid Max 2 glasses weigh only 75 grams. To put that in perspective, that's lighter than most sunglasses. They're built from aerospace-grade materials, which means they feel sturdy without being bulky. Comfort-wise, Rokid really thought this through. It has flexible temple arms and air-cushioned nose pads that eliminate the glasses fatigue you get from other headsets. And the most revolutionary part? The built-in vision adjustment. If your eyesight falls between 0 and -6 diopters, you don't need prescription lens. In testing, people with different prescriptions got a crystal clear view in under 30 seconds. That's huge, because most AR gear makes you mess around with custom lenses, which is a big hassle. Now, let's talk about visuals, because this is where the Rokid AR Spatial really shines. The glasses use Sony-powered micro OLED displays, and they can project a virtual screen. And it's not just a gimmick. The image is sharp, stable, and holds up even in brightly lit rooms. But what really makes this setup special is multitasking. You're not stuck with one giant floating screen. Rokid lets you pin up to 3 application windows at once. You can go wide, ultra-wide, or narrow depending on how you want your setup. You can browse YouTube on one side, Google Keep open for notes, and continue with your meetings with no noticeable lag at all. It honestly feels like having a desktop setup, except you're not chained to a desk. And when you do want to go cinematic, Rokid has giant screen mode. This is where any app can be expanded into a virtual 300-inch display appearing 8 meters away. Imagine lying in bed and literally repositioning your Netflix screen above you. It even supports full 3D video, which adds depth and immersion you just don't get with a tablet or TV. It's basically your own private movie theater anywhere you want it. Speaking of Netflix, let's clear something up. A lot of AR headsets claim they're entertainment devices, but then they stumble when it comes to the apps people actually care about. Rokid has nailed this. Netflix works. Disney+, Prime Video, Apple TV, HBO, Hulu, and YouTube all work without a hitch, thanks to DRM certification. This alone makes Rokid stand out, because this is what most people want, an easy way to stream their shows and movies. Beyond that, the glasses support Android apps and the Google Play Store, so you can download productivity tools, games, and social media apps. Rokid also has its own growing ecosystem with about 35 spatial apps already available for free. It's not massive yet, but it's expanding quickly, and there's an active developer community of over 6,000 people pushing new content. Now, let's get to the part gamers will care about. Rokid supports Stream Link, PS Remote Play, and Moonlight. That means you can wirelessly stream games from your PC or console directly to the glasses. Combine that with the giant virtual screen and a 90 Hz refresh rate, and you've got a surprisingly immersive portable gaming setup. It's not really built for competitive esports, but for cinematic single-player titles, it's a blast. Imagine playing Spider-Man or Elden Ring in a hotel room, projected like you're in your own private theater. That's the vibe Rokid is going for. And then there are the thoughtful little features that make it practical for everyday life. Sport mode stabilizes the visuals when you're in motion, so if you're on a plane or train, the screen doesn't bounce around with every movement. Reading mode automatically brings the display closer, making ebooks or articles easier on the eyes. You can charge the glasses while using them, which helps avoid battery anxiety. And navigation is refreshingly simple, a small touchscreen and a raycasting pointer. It's intuitive and doesn't require hours of practice. In a nutshell, it's perfect for everyday users who want to make their digital life more immersive and flexible. Students can take notes while streaming lectures. Remote workers can keep emails open while following a newsfeed. Travelers can turn cramped airplane seats into personal cinemas, and casual gamers can enjoy big screen sessions anywhere without lugging a monitor around. It can be pretty handy in real life. At home, one might unwind on the couch, streaming their favorite show on a massive virtual screen that follows their gaze. Outdoors, one could chill at the park, catching up on podcasts or checking maps hands-free while still soaking in the view. And during long road trips, one might use the Rokid AR Spatial to turn idle hours in the passenger seat into a mini theater or workspace on the go. Even in the kitchen, a recipe app can float above the counter while your favorite sports are running in the background. These glasses blend into all these moments effortlessly. And just for comparison, when you stack the Rokid AR Spatial against something like the Apple Vision Pro, the differences are pretty clear. Apple's headset is a technical powerhouse with higher resolution optics, advanced sensors, full 6 DOF tracking, and deep integration with the Apple ecosystem. But it's also bulky, heavier, and costs several times more. Rokid takes the opposite approach. Lightweight at just 75 grams, glasses style instead of a full headset, and priced to be far more accessible. You still get sharp Sony micro OLED visuals, multitasking with up to 3 apps, Netflix, and all the major streaming platforms, and even gaming through Steam Link or PS Remote Play. No, it doesn't match the Vision Pro's cutting-edge tracking or gesture controls, but that's the trade-off. Rokid is aiming for everyday practicality because it doesn't reinvent your routine, it enhances it. It takes the things you already do and makes them more immersive, more comfortable, and more flexible. Founded in 2014, Rokid has spent the last decade quietly refining its vision of accessible, augmented reality. After entering mass production in 2020, the company has steadily built a reputation for balancing innovation with practicality. The Rokid AR Spatial represents its 3rd generation of consumer AR glasses, which is the most advanced and polished yet. Showcased at CES 2025 in the US, it highlights Rokid's growing ambition to create its own ecosystem and establish itself as a major player in the next wave of spatial computing. Hope you guys loved the Rokid AR Spatial. If you want to get your very personal Rokid glasses, click the link in the description and apply the discount code to get the best possible price in the market.